So hi guys.
Okay, so karon. So karon. What's up mga dude all over the galaxy? So I'm back again with another video. So karon nga video na to magtagalog ko. Ang gagawin po natin ngayon ay magpiprint po tayo ng mug. Okay? So, ang mug na ito ay gagawin nating regalo for a wedding. So, I hope you enjoy this video. Actually, I have already my design for the said mug. I'm going to show you now. So, let's start printing! First is, we're going to print the design. I already have the design. Ipaprint na natin siya sa sublimation paper.
Ang gagawin natin ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ako mag-print ng mug. Okay? So first, we're going to print this one. Actually, I already transferred this design into an A4 paper. Ito yun po yun, dalawa. 2 designs kasi dalawa po yung gagawin kong mug. Right? So this is it. Let's print it. Print. Yan. Check natin kung naka-mirror ba kasi pag yung magtawag dyan, sublimation, dapat naka-mirror. Yun, good. Naka-mirror siya. Okay. And
I will be using this paper. Let's go! Print.
A few moments later.
I'm done with the printing of the sublimation paper. So what we're going to do now is to cut this part. No, ika-cut na lang po natin yan. Tapos, ididikit natin sa isang mug. White mug. Okay, let's go. Kuha muna ako ng gunting. Yan. So, I have my gunting here. Yan. This one is a gunting. So, we're going to cut this one. Cut. Dapat ayusin natin paggunting, no? Para malinis yung ating product. Okay. Ayusin natin mabuti. You shut up, dog. May na aso dito eh. Nakaka-disturbo. Yan. One down. I need to cut another one. Another design, you know that. Yeah, so I'm done. Okay, so these are the mug na gagamitin ko for sublimation mug, sublimation printing. So I'm using this one. The brand is okay, Quaff. This is Quaff sublimation mug. So ang gagawin natin ngayon is ididikit po natin yung ating design around sa ating sublimation mug. Tapos gagamit tayo ng tape. Ganitong tape. Yan. Heat resistant. Hindi ko alam anong tawag, nakalimutan ko. Pero ito po yung pandikit natin sa mug. Okay, let's go. Let's start. Nakabalot na po yung sublimation mug natin sa design po natin, i-print natin sa sublimation paper. So we're going to do the same sa isa pa nating mug. This one. Yeah. Yan. This one. So ito na po yung mug natin. Dalawang mug. Yan. Natin na yun is iprepare na natin yung heat press natin for mug. Okay? Ito po yung gagamitin natin heat press. Quaff. Actually, we have 2 heat press for mug transfer. But we'll be using this one. Kasi yung isang mug po namin, mug heat press mo namin ay mabigat. Tapos, kailangan pang i-connect sa isa pang heat press. So, matatagalan tayo. So, gagamitin natin ngayon is itong Quaff heat press. Like other heat transfer machines, so, kailangan po natin i-preheat bago po tayo mag-press ng ating mug. Okay, let's preheat now. Ano po nating temperature is 350. Tapos yung press time niya is 85 seconds. So, while waiting po, medyo madumi-dumi na yung heat press natin. Lilinisin natin. Kukunin natin yung mga dumi. Tapos na po tayong mag-heat press ng ating mug. We'll be peeling off the sublimation paper and let's see the result. Okay? Let's go! Ingat-ingat po kayo pagpipil kasi medyo mainit pa yung mug natin. So, ito na po yung result ng ating sublimation mug. So, we'll be having, of course, pag tapos na tayong mag-print, of course, di natin makakalimutan ang pictorial ng ating mug. Let's go! Tapos na tayong mag-pictorial, mag-take ng picture sa mga mug at gumawa ng video. So now, kuha tayo ng sisidlan ng mug. So actually, we have already prepared boxes for our mug. This is the box for our mug. Ito po yun. This is free. If you want to buy our customized mug, it's free. So ito po yun. Box. So we're done with the boxing of our mug and we're done with our video. If you enjoyed my video, please consider subscribing. If you want to, you can subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you on my next printing vlog. Peace out.